Ever tried to upload a file only to see storage full or file too large? Understanding the difference between KB and MB is essential. Today, we're going to master the conversion process so you never have to guess again. It's actually much simpler than you think. KB stands for kilobyte, which is the smaller unit. MB stands for megabyte, which is the larger unit used for high-quality photos. Remember to watch the case. A capital B stands for bytes, which measures storage, while a lowercase b stands for bits, used for speed. The conversion formula is straightforward. To get megabytes, you take your total kilobytes and divide them by 1000. This decimal standard is widely used in networking and file management systems to simplify data tracking across all your digital devices. Let's look at an example. If you have 5000 kilobytes, simply divide by 1000 to get exactly 5 megabytes. What about smaller files? 250 kilobytes divided by 1000 results in 0.25 megabytes. If you have a massive 10,000 kilobyte file, that converts to 10 megabytes. The pattern is always consistent and easy to follow. This knowledge is vital when checking your internet upload speeds or trying to fit an attachment into a restricted email inbox. It also helps you manage your cloud storage tiers more effectively, so you never pay for space you aren't actually using. Manual calculation can be a chore. That's why SarkariTools provides a fast, professional, and free KB to MB converter online. Ready to convert? Click the link in the description to use the SarkariTools converter now. Don't forget to like and subscribe.